see how easy it is. And now the final moment. Final moment. It worked for you. It worked, guys. It actually worked. I'm getting closer to my dream. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you everything step by step, from playing the game to withdrawing the money. I'm just sharing my experience so you can see how it works and decide if it is for you. This is not financial advice. Today I'll show you how I made $250 playing milestone. Yeah, you just press start and then follow the bot, everything in show on my screen. I choose 3 bombs, honestly that's the best option to the game, 3 bombs, then the continue. The game is super fun and really easy, you're gonna love it, especially the result because it's probably the easiest way you ever made dollars, yeah. Okay, I want to withdraw $250 today, so I'll deposit $200. I think already have some money here, but anyway, I go to my trust wallet and I'll top up in dollars. You can use any crypto, literally any currency. I personally play only in USDT, but only you I want, yeah. Okay, now I enter my wallet address from the game. I do everything careful so I don't mess up and the money goes to me. All right. Done. Yes, now I back to the game. Yes, good. Okay. Complete. Yes, complete. Next step. Okay, free bomb. Here now I need to enter the client seat. Yeah. The client seat, you can find the client seat in the setting, go into the game, open setting in fairness, find client seat, copy, and paste it into the chat. Yeah. Okay, done. Yes. Next step, we go back and copy the second client seat, copy paste down. Okay, then you enter the number of game you already played. I will play it 42 games. Yeah, for you it'll probably be 0 if it's your first time. Setting and loading. Yes, I know the bot gives in crystal. Okay, this is our hints, basically how we should play. So we go back into the game and play the bet. Yes, I'll bet $125 to win $250. Okay, now pick a crystal. 1, 2. Okay, it always nervous when I play every single time. Like, will there be a bomb or no? But it's been working for me. I'm so happy, yeah. Last crystal. Oh my god, it worked. No bomb. I just meant $250 just like that. That's crazy. It's actual work. I want to withdraw my wallet address. Let's do it, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, copy address, going back. Yeah, okay. Let's see if the money arrives. I always nervous in this part too. I'm recording them special for you so you can see how easy it is. And now the final moment. Final moment. It worked for you. It worked, guys. It actually worked. I'm getting closer to my dream. so $200, yeah,